What's the meaning of burg? Burg. Burg.
Burg. Burg. The word burg has various meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of its most common definitions is a town or city, especially one that is old or fortified. This meaning is derived from its roots in Old High German, where the word burg meant a fortified place. In contemporary language, burg is often used as a suffix to indicate a town or city with a particular characteristic or identity, such as Pittsburgh or Edinburgh. Overall, burg is a versatile word with historical roots that is still commonly used today.